This is going to be a simple but step-by-step straightforward tutorial on how to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your Metamask wallet, and then how you can actually interact with that network to buy and sell tokens. And we'll be showing you all on the screen. So step one is we're going to want to be getting the Metamask browser wallet. Now there's going to be a link down below for you to download this if you don't already have it. But that link is going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're just going to want to click download and then obviously select which device you're on after you click download. And then you're going to click, in my case, and the case I would recommend setting it all up on, install Metamask for Chrome. Now it's going to have a small setup process for you. It's going to ask you to write down a seed phrase. It's going to ask you for some other information. You're going to want to go through that whole process. And then once you're done, it's going to end up on a screen that looks just like this, except you will probably show all zeros as your balance. Now you've got the Metamask wallet set up, but the problem is the Metamask wallet defaults and it only comes built in with the Ethereum network. It doesn't come with the ability natively to connect to the Binance Smart Chain. That's fine. We just need to add the Binance Smart Chain to our Metamask wallet so that we can interact with the Binance Smart Chain. Now the way we do that is on this screen that it gives you right here, or you can always, if you can't remember where this, how to get to this page right here because it's a weird location, you can always click up here once you've added it and you can get the same information right here. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on where it says Ethereum mainnet and we're going to click Add Network. Okay, this is where we add Metamask's access for the Binance Smart Chain. And there's going to be another link down below that's going to take you to this page right here. And this page right here where it says mainnet, okay, this is the one you're probably looking for. This is where we get the information that we need. So you can see right here it wants network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and you can see all of that right here. So you're just going to copy and paste this over into the Metamask wallet. And then when you're done, you're going to click Save. And what you're going to see is now where it says Ethereum mainnet, you're now going to have two options, okay? And I obviously have three options because I've added other nets as well, but it's going to give you a smart chain option. And now you're going to be able to click over to that. And then we can see right here, we're now staring at the Binance Smart Chain, okay? So it's running on the Binance Smart Chain. You, just like me, will not have any balance of BNB, which is the native token in the Binance Smart Chain, but we have the ability to hold BNB, and we have the ability to now interact with this smart chain. So now that we've done this, we've set up the wallet, we have all this set up, we need to fund the wallet. And this is where things get a little bit harder and potentially more expensive. I'm going to show you the cheapest possible way where instead of spending hundreds of dollars on fees, moving different currencies all over the place and exchanging currencies, I'm going to show you a way you can do this for almost nothing. And the easiest and cheapest way for us to fund this wallet is using the Crypto.com app. Okay, so if you don't have the Crypto.com app, there's going to be another link down below to get that app downloaded. It only works on phones, on apps. Okay, it doesn't have like a native desktop version, which is a little frustrating, but that's what it is. So once we've downloaded this, okay, we've got the Crypto.com app. You're going to go through the account setup process, which should just take you a few minutes. You're going to be looking at something that looks just like this on their home screen. It's going to show you a couple different coins, and then honestly, I don't love their home screen. It's a little confusing. But all we need to do is buy BNB, right? We need to fund this wallet with BNB, and then we can do anything else we want with that BNB. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to See All right there, that tiny little button right there, and we're going to type in BNB, okay? Or BNB, sorry. We're going to type in BNB, and it's going to say, oh, Binance coin. And we're going to say, yes, that's what we're looking for. And then we're going to want to click Buy BNB right there. Okay, now there's multiple ways you can do this. You can send money if you want, send other cryptos to Crypto.com and then exchange those if you'd like. Obviously, the easiest way is just adding a credit or debit card and buying with those. But there's multiple ways that we could go about this. For our sake, we're just going to use a credit card right here. You're going to add a credit card and then make that purchase. And you're going to purchase however much you want to send and however much you're willing to risk on the BNB Smart Chain. Once you've made that purchase, you're going to want to go to Accounts right here, and you're going to see where it says Crypto Wallet. If you click it, you're going to see it's going to show up however much Binance coin you've managed to get here, you've managed to purchase. So we're going to click into that, and now we want to transfer it. Okay, we want to send that coin we just bought to this new wallet that we've just created. And like I said, this is the best way to do it cheaply because you're going to pay almost nothing for this versus if you did it some of the other ways that are out there right now. So we're going to click Transfer. Okay, we want to transfer, and it's going to say in or out. We want to withdraw. And it says, okay, to what? And we're going to say, I want to withdraw to an external wallet. Okay, and then you're going to see on the top right there, I've already done this, but we're going to talk you through the process still. There's a plus button, and we need to add our new wallet as a whitelisted wallet. So we're going to click that plus button. We're going to click wallet address, and it's going to say, what network are we using here? So this is very, very important. This is how we don't lose our money, which happens a lot in crypto. We're going to select BSC. This is Binance Smart Chain. Okay, we need the Binance Smart Chain. You can see at the top of the computer right here, it says Smart Chain. Okay, please make sure we're always using the Binance Smart Chain as we do this. Next, we need a Binance coin address. So we're going to head back to our computer now where we've set up this wallet, and you can see I've got a Smart Chain, or where it says Smart Chain right here. I'll double check that, and then I'm going to copy this. Okay, that's my address. I could also go up to here again and copy it right here, 2 different places, okay? Now, however you want to do it, for me, I usually just text it to myself since I'm on my phone doing one thing and my computer doing another, but get that address over to your phone so that you can add it, and then you'll name it, Metamask or whatever you want, and you'll click continue, and it'll talk you through a few security things. Once you're at that point, you're going to be looking at this screen I'm looking at right here. It says, hey, you have a whitelisted address. Is that where we'd like to withdraw to? And one thing to note, you used to be able to withdraw instantly. Crypto.com had a minor hack that happened, I think, just 7 days ago from the time I'm filming this video, and they heightened security measures, and I think it's just temporary while they figure everything out. But they may not let you withdraw for up to 24 hours, depending on when you watch this video. But we're going to click that Withdraw BNB button. It's going to say, how much do you want to withdraw? And I'm going to say, well, I don't have very much, but let's withdraw what I do have, which is 0.05, and then I'll click withdraw right there. Okay, and it's going to go over all the information, make sure we're all good with it. I'll click confirm, and then I'll have to verify my identity. And once you've done that, you can see right here, it'll say we've submitted this request. Now it's important to note, this will probably take some time. So anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to 2 to 3 hours. Somewhere in that time frame, you'll see that balance show up right here in your Smart Chain wallet. So for me, we're going to pause filming for a second and wait for this new balance to show up. All right, now I just sent some over from another place because I didn't have 20 minutes to sit here and twiddle my thumbs while we wait for this. But what'll happen is you'll just kind of sit there and wait, and then it'll show up right here, and you'll see it in your account right here, or once again, you'll see it up here in your balance. Now, once it shows up, we now have finished step 1 and 2. We've set up a wallet, we've funded a wallet, and now it's time to interact. Now, I don't know for the purpose of this tutorial what coin specifically you're looking to buy, but I'm going to show you how to buy any of the coins that you want to buy very, very easily. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Coinmarketcap.com, and we'll leave a link to that down below. And whatever coin it is that you're looking for, what we need is what's called a contract address. So when we buy or sell tokens on the Smart Chain right here, we need a contract address of the token that we're going to be buying or selling. So obviously there's a ton of different coins out there, and so whatever that token is, you can find it inside of Coinmarketcap. A token I recently bought, so we're just going to click that one. It's called Guardian, and you can see once you find the tokens page, it's going to look like this. And what we're looking for is the contract address that we can use to buy this token, and it's right here. Okay, and you'll want to verify. It says Binance Smart Chain. That's what it did say. So we'll click copy the address right there, and then what we're going to do is the last link down below takes you to Pancakeswap. Now this is what Pancakeswap looks like, and Pancakeswap is what's called a decentralized exchange. And so we take these wallets that we've created inside of our Chrome browsers, right, that are funded, and what these decentralized exchanges allow us to do is it allows us to take any coin that we have in our wallet and swap it for any other coin that exists on that Smart Chain. So Pancakeswap is the biggest and most common, well-known decentralized exchange for the Binance Smart Chain. So we're going to go to Pancakeswap, and we're going to want to connect our wallet. So we click up right there, and we say it's a Metamask wallet. Now Metamask will verify and say, are you okay with connecting to this site right here? We'll say, yes, I'm good with that. Connect. And then you'll know you're connected because it'll say, oh, and your wallet address will show up right there. Okay. Now we can start making trades for whatever token it is that you're trying to purchase inside of the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. So we click that, and we're right here, and this is where swapping happens. You can see right here, the typical starting token is BNB, and it already knows that we have a balance of BNB. And now right here is what token we would like to swap it for. And then you can see we've already copied that address for the Guardian token, so I'm going to paste that in there, and it's going to pull up, and you'll want to make sure that it looks like it should. It does. It says Guardian. I'm going to click import. It's going to give you a warning. And then we're good to go. Now it says, okay, you want to swap BNB for Guardian, and I say, yes, I do. And it says, how much? And this is my current balance. So let's say I want to swap 0.03, right? We're not using big numbers here, and that would get me 25 Guardian tokens, okay? We'll do 0.01 for this tutorial. Okay, then all we've got to do is click swap, and we can confirm the swap. Now, one thing to note, if there are issues, sometimes there are, sometimes there aren't. If it gives you some kind of issue, there are a couple different warning messages it could give you. But typically, if you go up to these settings right here, okay, and you see the slippage tolerance, typically this is where you'll run into issues depending on the coin you're trying to buy. You may have to up your slippage tolerance, and I've gone up as high as 10%. And essentially what this is saying is, hey, it's going to give you a price estimate, but how far off are you willing to accept the price estimate being? And I'm saying up to 10%, okay, which for some small coins is just kind of what you have to accept, because even small purchases can have pretty big effects on these small token prices. So I'll click 10 right there, exit out, and then you can see I've done everything, selected everything, and I'm going to click swap right here, and then I'll confirm the swap. Now it's going to connect with your wallet one more time, say, are we okay with this? We'll say, yes, I am okay with this swap. Now, very, very important, too, that you do this last step, which is adding guard to Metamask. Essentially, we're telling Metamask, hey, keep an eye out for this token that I just bought. So the token is going to be there either way, but if we don't add it, then it might not show up, and it'll give you a heart attack when you're looking at your balances, and it's saying you don't have any other balances, when in reality you do. It's just not looking for that token. So we'll click close right here, and then you'll be able to see, if I go to my MetaMask wallet up here again, you can see in my activity, okay, my activity right here, it's got this swap, and I can click into it, and I can actually view on the blockchain how this played out, and it says success. Yours might say pending or something, but typically it's pretty quick on the Binance Smart Chain. It says success, so now I would bet I can go into my MetaMask wallet right here, and I can go on assets, and you can see I now have BNB and I have guard, and you can do this with whatever token it is that you're trying to buy. Okay, so all we did here is we got the MetaMask wallet, we gave it access to the Binance Smart Chain, we funded it with a BNB token, and then we connected to Pancakeswap in order to make any exchanges that we wanted to with that BNB token and our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so I would always recommend doing this with small amounts in the beginning until you get comfortable with it. The fees are not that expensive. Don't try to do this with a huge amount of money until you've seen it work multiple times and understand and are comfortable with the whole process of what we're doing right here. Now that's the end of this tutorial, but if this is how you like to learn crypto without all the flash, all the hype, all the promises of 100x tokens, then this is a great channel for you to subscribe to. Go ahead and click subscribe down below, and we'll put out a lot more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching.